In this tutorial, I will teach you to temporarily deactivate your account on Facebook. So first, go to search engine Google and search for Facebook and open the Facebook website here. Go in the top right corner and click on your icon and go for settings and privacy and choose settings. And now click on see more in accounts center. It's so simple and easy. Go for personal details. So as you can see here, I got linked to accounts, which is Facebook and Instagram. These two accounts are linked to my main accounts. Go to personal details, choose account ownership and control. Here, go for deactivation or deletion and choose either Instagram or Facebook. Let's go pick up Facebook. So here we're going to choose the active account because this option, as you can see here, deactivating your account is temporary. Your account and my profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things that you have shared. You will be able to continue using Messenger, but the account won't be deleted, such as this account. So go for deactivate account and choose continue, and that's all. Hit like and subscribe if you got this video helpful, and thanks for watching.